My name is Erick Wokabi. I have been a motor journalist in Kenya for the last 7 years. I first encountered the Proton Saga in the year 2020 and I first drove it in the year 2021. What I found to be outstanding about the Proton Saga is that it's a very affordable vehicle for a brand new car in the Kenyan market. It's also very reliable and very easy to maintain. For me, the Proton Saga is a fun car to drive. I've driven it across the country and it does stand out for a car that affordable. The reliability, the ease of maintenance, and most importantly, the fuel economy are unique selling points that stand out to me in the Proton Saga. I would summarize the Proton Saga to be economical, dependable, and affordable.